Numan has a few good questions, which I'll answer. Numan's first question was, who pays for the maintenance of the home? And Numan, that's a really good question. So maintenance, it's just the upkeep of the house. It's, keeping the paint fresh, the lawn mowed. We don't share in that. And the reason we don't share in that is because we're not utilizing the property with you, right? Because you're utilizing the full 100% of the property. You're taking care of the maintenance costs. Likewise, because you're keeping up with the maintaining of the property or the maintenance of the property, you also are 100% owner of the equity that we gained on the property. So when you sell the home, let's say you bought it for $200,000, and a few years later you're moving to a different state, like Kimberly mentioned, right? And the value is 250. That increase in the equity because you maintain the house is 100% yours. So we don't share that with you. And then you also asked the second question, which I want to address, which is the maximum finance amount. So they differ county by county. In certain places, it's 700,000. In certain places, it could be 500,000. In certain areas, it could be $1 million. So it really just depends on that.